Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. Today we will discuss a very important topic that makes our programming unprofessional, and we'll also discuss more what are the things a programmer should not do or consider as bad habits of programmer. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is learning from tutorials but no practice. Many of us choose to watch the tutorials and learn from there, which indeed is a very good initiative. But what 80% of us do is that we just the tutorials and what they show, but we don't actually practice it ourselves, which make our research zero because programming is all about practice as a very other work. More you practice the better you become, and if you just watch the tutorials and doesn't work on it, then watching a tutorial remains of no use. That's why one of the best thing about a good programmer is practicing, which helps him learn and remember more things. The second one is leaving your doubts unsolved, and that is human nature, but we suggest that leaving the doubts unsolved is just fine till school level only, and obviously not in professional level. For example, if you are working on some website and you face some problems, and then you seek out a friend for help, and he does it for you, but you don't even care about knowing how you couldn't do it or what was the problem you are facing because your work is done. In such a situation, a good programmer always finds out what his mistake was and work on it. The third one is copying code from others. Copying word does not sound good in itself, and as everywhere else, it also applies if you are or being a programmer. You should always make sure that you learn by yourself and create things by yourself. The fourth one is not trying to expand your knowledge. No matter which field you are in, you always have a lot of to learn, and the same is when we talk about programming. So one should always look forward to learning more and expands his knowledge and working skills. For every human, there are lots of ways to gain more knowledge about their field, and or for programmers. The fifth one is test before moving forward. While you are learning something, it is suggested to always cross check with yourself by practicing it that you understand it well rather than just moving on to the next topic and then forgetting about what you learned in the previous one. So that's all about some of the worst habits. So every programmer must avoid these habits. So friends, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more and more videos, and thank you for visit. Have a nice day.